This is Mr. V. In this video, we will determine the area of a composite shape by subtracting simple component shapes. We want to calculate the area of this compound shape. And we can see we've got this rectangular shape and we're subtracting this circle away from it. We have two component shapes. We have area 1, which is this rectangle, and we have area 2, which is this circle. So let's calculate the areas of these individual shapes. So area 1 was a rectangle, and the rule for the area of a rectangle is length times width. Looking at our diagram, we have a length of 30 centimeters and a width of 20 centimeters. So we're going to multiply 30 by 20, which is 600. Area 2 is a circle, and the rule for the area of a circle is pi r squared. The radius of this circle is given to us in the diagram. It is 5 centimeters. So we're going to have pi times 5 squared. And if we use our calculator, we can see that that is 78.54 square centimeters. Lastly, we need to subtract the circle component away from the rectangle component. So the total area is going to be the rectangle, which is 600 centimeters squared, minus the circle, which is being cut out. Our calculator tells us that is 521.46 centimeters squared. And that is the area of the composite shape. Fantastic.